So, how to make a paper helicopter. If you've got a printer at home, you can just print off the template and use the template. If you don't have a printer at home, I'm going to hopefully show you how to make one. So you will need a pen, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a piece of paper. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do is to fold your piece of paper in half. Okay. And either tear or cut along the line that you have just folded. So then you have got half a piece of paper. Okay. Now, taking that half, you need to fold that in half again, but you need to make sure you do it lengthways. So have it portrait and then fold it again like that. Okay. And again, cut along or tear, if you can, along the line that you have just folded. So you will end up with a quarter of a piece of paper, like that. Okay, now this is what you're going to turn into your helicopter. Okay, so first thing you need to do is, again, fold it in half. Okay, but we're not going to cut along the line this time. We're going to draw, using our pen and our ruler, we're going to draw along the fold. So you will have that. Okay. Now, this is the middle of our helicopter. So above, we'll have the wings, and at the bottom, we will have the body or the tail or the bit that points downwards. Okay. Now, across the middle, we need to draw two lines. So using our ruler, we need to draw a line 1 centimeter either side of our center line. So I'm going to put a centimeter, 2 dots there, 2 dots there, and then join those lines together. So we've now got, now it looks like that. Okay. So now our wings. So along one side of this, we need to draw one line, and on the other side, we need to draw two. Okay. So we need to do a little bit of measuring. So first of all, the width of our piece of paper is 7.5. So I'm going to draw the wing side first. So I need a half of 7.5. So half of 7 is 3.5, and a half of half is a quarter, so that's 3 3/4. So it's there. I'll do the same at the top to be accurate. Okay, and join that together. And on the other side, on the other end, we need to draw two lines here, so we need to measure again. So now we need to divide it by 3. So 7.5 divided by 3 is 2.5. So we've got a 2.5 and a 2.5 there. So that's 2.5 and 5. 2.5, 5. Okay, so now what you should have, your piece of paper should look like that. Okay, I'll write these on for you. I'll write the distances on. So across there is 3.75 centimeters. 3.75 centimeters, and this is 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, and 2.5 centimeters. Okay, and this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. All right, so that's what that looks like. Okay, now getting our scissors again, we now need to cut along the lines that we've drawn. Okay, some of the lines we've drawn. So on the wing end, the end that's got one line all the way down, you cut along that line. Okay. So rotor blades. So you've got your 2 rotor blades for your helicopter. Okay. On the other side, we are not going to cut up these 2 lines. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to cut across the top, but at the top of these. So for this one, I'm going to cut into the middle there. And can you see that? And for this one, I'm going to cut shaky hands into the middle there. Okay. So I've cut that, and I've cut that, and that. Okay. I have not cut down there or down there. Okay. Now, the way this works is on the bottom bit, these two bits fold in. So they fold around the back like that. And like that. Okay. And the wings fold one backwards, one forwards. And the last little thing to do is to put a little fold at the bottom of that. Okay. So that's your paper helicopter. Is it going to work? Brilliant. Okay. Now, if you are changing the length of your wings, you will need to change how long the rotor blades are. Wings, rotor blades. Okay. If you are changing the weight, all you need to do is to put more paper clips or more weights on the bottom. Okay. Good luck.